Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
I like that, y'all. I like that, y'all.
Hey there, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.
How we doing out there, crypto friends? We are live. It is Friday, July 23rd, coming at you a little bit late this morning, so we're going to get started here. We're looking across the heat map here, pretty much green all the way across the board, just a few names trying to catch up. And let's have a look at the charts. We're looking here at BTC USD. We did manage to get up there, poke our heads just above that 100-day moving average. Now we're back underneath, so we're still sitting and resting on this 12-day moving average, which is taking us upward. So we're looking for this 12 to cross over the 100-day in the next maybe next 4 to 8 hours. So still climbing, still looking strong. Got ourselves a new support level there at 32,193, and resistance up there to 32,584. Now we're moving on to Ethereum, ETH, USD. Ethereum is up 1.62%. Apparently the computer is not waking up this well. So we're looking up here at resistance to 2076.59 and support right there, barely peeking his head through there at the 2057.75. Stop loss is getting moved up as we are above this 100-day moving average. We'll just trail it just to right along, slightly beneath that average. On to BNB USD. That's Binance Coin. Still managing to hold that support level so we can scooch it up just a tad. There we go. Very technical terms on this channel. Scooch. 288.157 is support, and resistance now at the same level, 297.53. So we need to get through that 300 mark for BNB. On to Cardano, that's ADA USD. And we have support there at the 1.691. And resistance, there we go, right at 1.182. On to PolkaDot, DOT USD, it's down 2.52%. Shed a little bit of weight overnight, so we're looking at support still at the 12.726. And still struggling to get through resistance here at the $13 mark. On to the DOGE, DOGE USD. DOGE still holding support we had last night, 0.1880, and resistance slightly beneath previous. So we're down to 0.1932. On to Litecoin, LTC USD. Sitting right here on support as we test this double bottom as we speak. So we're looking at 119.15, and resistance still remains up there to 123.67. Heading on over to Chainlink, LINK USD, pretty much unchanged. So we have resistance at the 15.97 and support there to 15.66. On to Stellar, XLM USD. Looking at support at the 0.2561 and resistance now. We can come down just a notch on that previous high right there. 0.264. So Stellar had a good run up. It did. RSI did get into overbought territory, so we're starting to come back down and chill out a little bit, and maybe we can see some continuation here as the 26-day heads up to cross over the 100-day. Moving average looks like that's going to take about a day or two for that to happen. Moving on to Vechain, VET USD up 0.5%. Sitting dead center of our support and resistance we had last night. We will move the stop loss up though. Looking at support 0.065 and resistance 0.068. On to FIL USD up 1.33%. Looking at support still. Yeah, we can better that now. New support level 45.92, and the resistance up there at the $47 mark. On to STORJ USD. We are sitting at support still at the 0.759 resistance there, slightly beneath the previous very tight range 0.775. On to IOTA. That's Internet of Things. IOTA having a run for the money. So we're looking at support to hold there at the 0.651, resistance 0.66347. So we have very tight range as well. Comp USD, CONP. And comp did get but just beneath that support level, so we got a new one down here for you at 391.87, and resistance now right there. Well, we got, there it is, 409.82. On to basic attention coin, BAT USD. Support holding there at the, right there it is, 0.5087, and resistance at the 0.5214. On to ETC USD, that's Ethereum Classic, up 2%. So we're looking now up there at the 44.98, so roughly 45 round psychological number for resistance, and your support level we are looking at 43.286. On to MANA, MANA USDC, up 1.81%, and MANA resistance is 0.607, support there at the 0.584. Stop loss just up there. There we go. On to ZIL USD. Fell through our previous support. We had a little charted for you here. So we're looking to hold at the 0.0591. Actually, watch this 12-day moving average providing support. If we fall through there, look back for this support line here. And resistance now right there at the 0.619. On to NU USD. Support resistance still the same as last night, 0.1891, 1891, and resistance at 1947, 0.1947. On to NMR USD. It's up 0.5%. So it's trying to go. Struggling to get through that 100-day moving average, getting squeezed out. And support 30.958, resistance 31.556. It's tightening up range here, indicates that we're going to explode. So keep an eye on that one. On to GRT USD. Fell through our previous support level, so we're looking down now at the 0.5333, and resistance pretty much unchanged at the 0.557. Heading over to Uniswap, that's UNIUSD. And move the wrong thing. So we're looking at support now at the, where you at there, support? There you go. Testing this support right there at the 17.39, and close by we're going to have resistance now at the 17.66. On to AAVE USD. It's up 0.87%. Riding high on this 100-day moving average. So we're looking at support to hold right underneath there. There we go. 276.08, and resistance. If we can grab it. There we go. going to be right there in the 284.63. On to MKR USD up 2.68%. Having a run up here. Test this 100-day moving average. So resistance now 2522.97 and support now at the 2471.89. Let's look at MATIC, MATIC USD up 3.16%. So we're looking at 0.9321 support. I'm sorry, resistance. And support 0.8806. Stop loss getting moved up as we head into the, we're running through the buy target on the climb up. On the SOL USD, hadn't seen the love yet, so it's still holding at 27.04 support. Resistance now 28.309. Audio NFT land relatively unchanged. We have support still remaining at the 0.9324 and trying to get through that 100-day moving average with the squeeze on here. We're going to leave it at that 0.9743, then watch for the $1 if we can push through this 100-day moving average, which is fortunately trending upward. On to CHZ USD. We have managed to get up there and set new resistance level 0.234. Support just there at the 0.2295. On to Theta, THETA USD. Still remaining at the 4.60 support. Resistance now at the 4.758. On to ENJ. ENJ is up over 0.5%, 0.69 to be precise. So there's your resistance level 1.162. Riding that 12-day moving average on as we go upward. And looking for support to hold there at the 1.115. Looking here at Harmony 1. Basically the same thing. We do have a new support level though. Inching our way up through. So support 0.0638, resistance 0.0665. PAX G, PAXG, USDT. Down 0.5%, so gold not feeling it today. 1797.43 is your new support level. And I'm going to look to get through. There it is. We have to look left and down. There we go. 1803.91, but first we got to get through that 1800 psychological number. The Shiba Inu, unchained sideways, 50635 support, 50663 resistance. So nothing happening there. BTC.D, Bitcoin dominance down slightly, 0.13%. At 46.13. Ethereum, nice move here, up 1.47%, so we're up to 18.27. You can see this trend here is Ethereum starting to get bought up. And the Doge sitting pretty still at the 1.90, so we're looking now at the total crypto market cap up another 0.25% to $1,315,000,000,000. Well, folks, that does it for me for today. I'll see you tonight at the Crypto Happy Hour. Have a good day. Enjoy your Friday.